is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So you might notice that I am wearing the same thing for 3 videos, and it's because I'm pre-filming. So anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing another VoxBox, and this time I got the care package VoxBox, and this is it right here. And I'm super excited, and I know I just received a VoxBox last week, but I honestly don't know why they sent me this one. I just got an email saying that they were going to send me a care package VoxBox. I didn't have to fill out any surveys, so I was just super excited. So I'm just really happy and grateful that they chose me once again. So anyways, let's unbox this. I already cut the tape on the bottom. Ta-da! Okay, you can't really see anything. Okay, so they sent me 2 cards, and the first one says hashtag care package VoxBox. Out of millions of members, there's just one of you. Congrats on making our list and handpicked influencers to receive this VoxBox. Get ready to explore, indulge, and share. And it just tells me the steps that I have to take to review this box. And on the back, it just has the products that they sent me. And the other card is just a card for one of the products that they sent me. And so let's begin with this one. So they sent me a Witch Hazel, and this one is a Humphreys Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner, soothe with rose with wild crop certified witch hazel. So that's pretty cool. This is what it looks like. I really love using witch hazel as a toner, and I've only used the Walmart brand, so I'm super excited to try this one out and see if there's any difference. And yeah, I'm just super excited for this. This one says soothe your skin and senses with the wild wonders of certified organic witch hazel. Humphreys Soothe Witch Hazel plus Rose alcohol-free toner helps hydrate for the clean, calm, conditioned skin you were born to face the world with. So we will see if that's true. So I'm super excited to try this out. So I will probably start using this one tomorrow morning. And the card that they sent me is for this product, for the Witch Hazel. And it says discover the wild way to enrich your skin, senses, and spirit. Review and post for the chance to earn more goodies. Ooh, I'm excited for that. And it just says information of the product that I pretty much read to you already. And it just tells me how to review this product. The next thing in here, it is some pills, because I like pills. Apparently I drink too many of them. I take pills because of my migraines, that's what I'm saying, but I don't like taking pills for fun, just FYI. So anyways, they sent me the Advil dual action pills, and it's these right here. So I'm guessing they're new. Well, yeah, it says new right there. And you could use this for headaches, toothaches, backaches, menstrual cramps, muscular aches, minor pain of arthritis, and all of that. So anyways, I'm happy that they sent me these Advil pills because I do use them almost every day. I try not to, but if I'm in pain, I have to. So yeah, super happy about that. And the last product here, it is a Garnier Fructose Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask and papaya extract. And this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if this is a full size or if it's just like a sample size. This one is 3.4 ounces. So I'm super excited to try this out. Although I'm not a big fan of papaya, at least not to eat it. So I'm super excited to try this out. And I can't wait to see if it hydrates my hair. It smells really good actually. It kind of smells like popcorn. I don't know, but it smells really good, and that's what it looks like. So I will be using this tonight because I love using hair masks, and right now I don't have one. So thank you so much to Influencer for sending me these goodies. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried out any of these 2 products and what do you guys think of them. So anyways, that is everything that Influencer sent me. If you guys are interested in signing up to Influencer, I will have the link in the description box. It's completely free to sign up. And yeah, so anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.